All right, let's dive right into this explainer. We're kicking things off with Lab 1, and the goal today is simple. Get Tableau Public installed on your machine so you can actually start visualizing your data. Whether you're a student, a business leader, or really just someone looking to level up your data skills, getting this tool up and running is step 1 to building an amazing visual portfolio.
Here is our game plan for today. We'll grab Tableau Public, run through the Windows and Mac installations, explore the Connect to Data pane, import some Excel and CSV files, and finally, break down dimensions versus measures. Let's get to it.
First up, getting Tableau Public. Now, if you don't already know, Tableau Public is this incredibly powerful, totally free tool. It's built specifically to help you tap into the creativity of the data fam, find some inspiration, and share your work with the world. Getting it? Super easy. It takes just 3 quick steps on their official website. You just head over to the download page, knock out a streamlined registration form that literally takes 15 seconds, and hit download on that free installer. It's completely open to everyone. In that registration form is just the basics. They just need your first and last name, what your role is, like, say, if you're a student or a personal user, your country, and an email address. Pop that information in and your download is good to go.
Okay, moving right along to the Windows and Mac installation.
So, the setup is going to look a tiny bit different depending on your operating system, but honestly, both take just a few clicks. If you're on Windows, you'll find that executable file you just downloaded and run it. You'll accept the licensing agreement, and if you want, hit Customize to tweak your install location or shortcuts. For the Mac users out there, you'll open up that .dmg file and double-click the .pkg installer to kick things off. Oh, and on both systems, you absolutely have the option to opt out of sending product usage data during this phase if you prefer.
All right, moment of truth. You've got the software installed, you hit finish, and the app pops open. Now what? Seriously, what is your very first move in this brand new environment?
Well, that brings us to the Connect to Data pane. The absolute first thing you're going to see when you open the app is this Connect to Data pane. Think of this as home base for every single analytical project you do. It's your gateway. It's the bridge between all that raw, unstructured, messy data sitting on your computer and the gorgeous, clean visualizations you're about to build. Because hey, you can't build a dashboard without data, right? This pane is exactly where you make that vital connection. Next up, let's talk about actually importing those Excel and CSV files. From that connection menu we were just looking at, you can hook right into standard flat files. Tableau makes this ridiculously easy. Got your data in a spreadsheet? Just click Excel, browse your computer, and select it. Working with comma-separated values? Just hit Text File to pull in your CSVs. Tableau instantly reads the column structures and gets everything prepped for analysis right then and there. Finally, let's break down dimensions versus measures. So once your data is successfully imported, Tableau does something really smart. It automatically categorizes everything in a pane on the left side of your screen. The crucial takeaway here is understanding dimensions. These basically act as the descriptive labels for your data. Tableau grabs your qualitative fields and groups them here to give everything context. Think of it like this. If your data is a bunch of cardboard boxes, dimensions are the labels written on the outside with a marker. They tell you the who, what, where, and when. Measures, on the flip side, are your quantitative data. We're talking about the actual numerical values that Tableau knows you can aggregate, sum up, or average out. Going back to our box analogy, if dimensions are the labels on the outside, measures are the actual physical items packed inside those boxes that you're counting up. To put that into perspective, let's compare them directly. For dimensions, you have things like customer names, order dates, product categories, and locations. These help you slice your data into manageable chunks. Then for measures, you have things like total sales, temperatures, z-scores, and other numerical totals. Whenever you pull a measure into your workspace, Tableau is going to automatically do the math based on exactly how you've sliced it up using your dimensions. So you've got the software installed, you know exactly how to hook up your Excel and CSV files, and you've got a solid grasp on how Tableau organizes everything into dimensions and measures. You are 100% ready to build your very first dashboard in Lab 2. But I want to leave you with one final thought before we wrap up this explainer. Now that you have the tools and the data connected, what story are you going to tell?